Welcome to the SAFI Journey tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to register and log into the app. SAFI Journey, Loads and Software Tracking Management. This is the home screen. In this screen, we can find two options, login and registration. Once you click on the registration button, you need to fill the following fields. Enter your name, your last name, the company code which is provided by the administrator, create a new user, a valid email, and a safe password. And click on the register button. This way the user will be registered and have access to the system. Don't forget to verify our account with the link sent to your email. Click in the login button. This will allow you to enter the email and password previously registered and have access to the services of the app. And click on the login button. In the Dashboard tab, you can find a summary of the information of drivers, clients, vehicles, and trailers. Also, you can find the status of loads, such as completed, in progress, and active.